Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about DC and AC current. DC means direct current and AC means alternating current. DC current that always flows in one direction. The current we get from a battery is a direct current. Whereas AC current that reverses its direction periodically. Most power stations in our country produce alternating current. AC changes direction every 1/100 second and its frequency is 50 Hz. One advantage of AC over DC is that it can be transmitted over long distances without much loss of energy. Domestic electric circuit. Electric power to home is supplied through the mains. It has two wires. One is a live wire that is positive with red insulation and the other is a neutral wire, negative wire with black insulation. The potential difference between the two wires is 220 volt. The earth wire with green insulation is connected to a metal plate kept in the ground. Two separate circuits are used. One is of 15 ampere for appliances with high power rating like geysers, air conditioners, etc. The other is of 5 ampere for fans, bulb, etc. Different appliances are connected in parallel so that every appliance gets equal voltage, and even if one is switched off, the others are not affected. The appliances having metallic body like electric iron, refrigerator, etc., their metallic body is connected to the earth wire so that if there is leakage of current, it passes to the earth and prevent electric shock to the user. Electric fuse is a safety device used in electric circuits to protect the circuit and appliances from getting damaged due to overloading and short circuit. It is a wire having high resistance and low melting point. If excess current flows through the circuit, the fuse wire melt and break the circuit. It is made up of a metal or an alloy of metal like lead, tin, aluminium and copper. It is always connected in series with the live wire. Overloading is caused due to increase in voltage, or if the live wire come in contact with the neutral wire, or if we connect too many appliances in a single circuit. It results in overheating of the wires and can cause damage to the circuit and appliances. Short circuit occur when live wire come in direct contact with the neutral wire and the current in the circuit increases abruptly. It causes spark, fire and damage to the circuit and appliances. Thank you.